Hi everyone, Lance here and welcome to my vlog. This vlog is we're on our way to Country Mall to buy cakes or
anything
for surprise, birthday surprise. My cousin, Shane Ramirez. Tomorrow is her birthday, but we're going to surprise her in the midnight. Yes. So we're here now in the Country Mall in the Goldilocks. So we're going to pick
what kind of cake?
This one or the Hi, we're here in I don't know, upper ground floor. No, it's the second floor. No, I don't know. We're here to buy balloon. Let's buy letter. Letter ba? Balloon na letter. S, just S. S.
Ang iyang edad.
Edad 25.
Ang name niya dito sa...
So, we should buy this one. It's 40 and very small. No! Hindi, makalimpit ah.
Sure ka, ikaw malimpyo?
Or this one that no fireworks. No fireworks. 55. This one. Hindi, kanina lang.
20 colors.
Kani?
4 meter floor.
Ayan, lagi. Pero ako sa job. Ano dyan? Yeah, let's buy that one. So yeah, we've done buying the balloon and something to wear turba, and we're going to the grocery store. Like, I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Let's find out later. Or muli na ta. Okay, bye. So guys, we're now home. Pauwi na kami. So, yeah, mag-aantay na lang kami sa midnight mamaya. Yeah. Nalpa sa work kasi sila. Yeah, see you there. See you in the midnight.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yawa talaga taon na mo tika mo agok.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday. Bimitan niya tayo. Bumerang ha. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yay! Official 25.
How old are you? Ang bugo.
25. Ako rin pagbalit eh. Kaya 25 kaya gihapon. 52 pa mong gani.
Okay na, pwede na ka matog balik. Good night.
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 Night. Good night.
Asa daw ma? No.
So yo guys, after ng surprise dito kami ngayon sa simbahan and nag-ano sila, nagdidi,
nag-all class.
nagdagkot, yeah, something like that. So yeah. So yeah,
Ano siya klase?
see you and where, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta susunod, pero see you there. Yeah. Yo, we're here in Cafe George in Banilad. Banilad Panite ba? Yeah, in Banilad. And so yeah, we're going to eat here in Cafe George. It's my first time in here. Nabalitaan ko na sobrang expensive dito. So yeah, let's go down. So yeah, we're here in Cafe George. As you can see, as I said earlier, so. And we're going inside now. Ay, wala pa di sa in.
Ha?
Wala pa sa in na CR. Saan ako?
Parehas lang po sa ano ako.
This is
Pwede
there.
mag-ado carbonara. Ha? Carbonara.
So yeah, the food is here now. Let me introduce to you our food today. So yeah, I think we're going to eat na like today because we're so hungry. Oh, I forgot to picture the carbonara, so I will picture it right now.
I learned to love you more in your eyes.
So we're here outside in the Cafe George because we're waiting for my cousin, the Neb-Neb. Yeah, lapit na kasi sila dito kaya ayun.
Asan na daw sila?
AS. Ha? Fortuna.
Sorry guys.
So here they are. We found them. Okay. Let's go. Right there. Right there. Right there. Tuk, 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 tuk. Aish. Oh, pa-parking ba? So here they are. You have to get them up. Right. Hello! Ang bagay. Okay.
Okay, bit si taxi.
On. Careful. Wow. So, here they are. on. Ay, on. Ayun na sila. Wow. Okay, hindi ako nakapaghanda. Okay. Ano yun Anong surprise? Wow. Alright.
Ilan! You should go!
Kahit in secret lang Deneb. Kahit secret lang sinabi ba?
1, 2, 3, go!
Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Where are you going?
Okay, blow. Day. Blow. Blow. Ay, sino blow?
Si Liam.
Yo guys, we're here in Landers, so I'm secretly recording this because bawal mag-picture at mag-video dito kung pumunta ka sa loob. So yeah, I'm just recording na nandito lang ako. We're home and we're going to resume the celebration of Ate Shinshin's birthday, and Dylan and Liam will going to swim. No, only Dylan will swim. Your mama said you're going to sleep. Your mama said you're going to sleep. Daddy won't allow you.
Limpyo.
Mag-clean. Ikaw mag-clean yan. Ikaw magsiswimming, di ba?
Sabon. Sama natin.
Oh, liwat sa tagiya.
Brush.
Okay, clean first. Why are you helping Liam? You cannot swim already. No, do not. This cutie one? It's excited. Very excited for... Are you excited, baby? No?
I'm not a baby. I'm a Liam.
But I'm not talking to you. Liam, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Dylan.
Yes.
Yes?
You are Dylan.
Yes. Of course. Hindi, plastic. Kanang suksok na namang may plastic butag tubig di naman na magawas kay bugat naman ang kan kay full of water na. Careful, Liam. Maghuwat ko sa kanta.
Oh, look. She's waiting down. Here's some.
Under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Wala man, wa.
So guys, as you can see, it started here. They're all sleeping, including the birthday girl, and yeah, we're so tired right now. To sleep. And because of that, I'm gonna end for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed celebrating with us with the birthday girl. Thank you for watching, and See you in my next vlog.